Plant versus animal cells, Maya Fiedler. Plant cell, eukaryotic cell that contains a nucleus and certain organelles to help perform certain functions of the plant. It is a photosynthetic eukaryote cell. Shape of the plant cell. Plants have a cell wall and cell membrane. The cell wall surrounds the membrane, which causes it to have a rectangle shape. Yes, it's not a full-on squared off rectangle. It has curved edges, but you can tell the difference between a plant cell and an animal cell because of the shape, because the plant cells tend to be a little longer and still have that shaved off rectangle shape. And here is a picture that I wanted to include so that later on we can tell the difference, because it gives you the shape of the cell. It shows you where things are located in the plant cell compared to an animal cell, so we can go back and figure out what the difference is. And it shows you all the other things that are in a plant cell that won't be in an animal cell. The animal cell. Its basic structural and functional units of animal tissues and organs, which include us. It's a eukaryotic cell as well. The animal cell shape. There is no cell wall in an animal cell, which causes it to have an irregular shape and it's more rounded off. As you can see in the picture, it is a complete circle. Yes, all cells are different and won't look the exact same, but you can tell it's more roundish compared to plant cell, where they are much longer, and you can tell the cell wall actually helps form and protect the cells. And here I wanted to go back once again to say this is a way we can compare and contrast the cells, because of also how and where things are located that we have in similarities and differences in the cell. Common components in both cells. The mitochondria, ribosomes, plasma membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, Golgi apparatus, and the cytoplasm are all things that we have in the same cells, but they might be located in different places. Components in plant cells but not animal cells. Plant cells have a cell wall, large vacuoles, which is important. Chloroplast, and the nucleus is pushed on the side. So let me go back. And you can see in this picture that the nucleus is pushed to the right compared to further down or in the center. Components in animal cells but not plant cells. They have smaller vacuoles, they have centrioles and centrosomes, they have cilia or flagellas as well compared to a plant cell, and the nucleus is in the center. And I will go back. And this picture is not pushed as far off into the side, it's more in the middle, and that goes back to them not having a cell wall. Everything's kind of pushed in the middle, but it is clear that this one is more in the center than the plant cell. Compare and contrast to the cells. So here's a larger picture that kind of shows off the sizes and the shape of the cells as well, and it points to, like, yes, we have a cell membrane, they both have nucleuses, and we have the smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, the vacuoles, mitochondria, and Golgi apparatus, and you can tell each of them are different shapes and sizes compared to the two cells, but they still share the same functions as well. And you can see in the plant cell it has the chloroplast, the cell wall, and plastomastata, and in the animal cell has the centriole, lysosomes, and centrosomes. And these are my sources that I used. Thank you.